Welcome back to CitiesPulse Explorers. 10 must-do activities in Valletta. Today, we venture to a place where history whispers on every corner, where ancient stones bask in the Mediterranean sun. This is Valletta, the capital of Malta, a fortress city forged by knights and steeped in stories. Join me as we navigate the narrow, winding streets, each one a journey through time. From grand palaces to hidden gardens, Valletta promises a tapestry of experiences woven with culture, charm, and breathtaking beauty. Over the next few minutes, we'll uncover 10 must-do activities that will bring this remarkable city alive, allowing you to truly connect with its vibrant pulse. Let's begin our countdown. Who's ready? Let's explore Valletta. At number 10, we have the magnificent St. John's Cathedral. This seemingly unassuming structure from the outside holds a world of wonder within. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an explosion of Baroque extravagance. Every inch, from floor to ceiling, is adorned with intricate carvings, shimmering gold leaf, and masterful paintings. Look closely, and you'll discover masterpieces by Caravaggio. Their dramatic scenes illuminated by the soft glow filtering through stained glass windows. The best time to experience this awe-inspiring artistry is in the morning, just as the sun bathes the interior in a warm light. The tour usually takes 1 to 2 hours, and peak times are Thursdays. The entrance fee is a small price to pay for such grandeur, a worthwhile investment for any visitor. Whether you're an art enthusiast or simply appreciate beauty in its most exquisite form, a visit to St. John's Cathedral is an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. This church is also a venue for cultural events, not only a sacred place of worship. At number 9, we try some activities that will take us on a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. We are heading to the Upper Baraka Gardens. Nestled atop Valletta's historic bastions, these gardens provide breathtaking panoramic views. Marvel at the Grand Harbor, a natural wonder that has mesmerized visitors for generations. Take a walk past the saluting battery. Observe the colorful fishing boats gently swaying on the azure waters, a timeless scene. The fragrance of blooming flowers fills the air, creating a sensory delight that calms the spirit. It's an ideal spot to escape the midday heat, relax, and absorb the beauty around you. With free admission, the gardens are perfect for families and budget-conscious travelers. Visit at sunset for a stunning display as the sky turns into a canvas of vibrant colors. You can also visit at midday to witness the cannon salute. The Upper Baraka Gardens offer more than just a view. They provide a moment of reflection and a connection to the rhythm of this historic city. Find the picturesque cafe tucked into this garden. Board a ferry or gondola on your way back. At number 8, let's step back in time to the Grand Master's Palace. Our exploration of Valletta's past leads us to the Grand Master's Palace, a testament to the city's opulent past. Once the residence of the Knights of St. John, the palace now houses the office of the President of Malta. Step inside, and you'll be transported back to the era of knights and nobility. Wander through grand halls adorned with tapestries and suits of armor, each piece whispering tales of a bygone era. The palace staterooms, with their ornate ceilings and intricate frescoes, offer a glimpse into the lives of those who once ruled Malta. Don't miss the Palace Armory, home to one of the world's largest collections of knights' armor. The best time to visit the palace is in the shoulder seasons, spring or autumn, when the weather is pleasant and the crowds are smaller. The entrance fee is modest, granting access to a wealth of history and grandeur. A visit to the Grand Master's Palace is a journey through time, a chance to walk in the footsteps of knights and experience the grandeur of Malta's past. At number 7, we uncover history at the National Museum of Archaeology. Housed within Auberge de Provence, a magnificent 16th century building, the museum safeguards the island's fascinating past. Here, amongst ancient artifacts and relics, the story of Malta's earliest inhabitants unfolds. Marvel at prehistoric pottery, intricately carved statuettes, and tools used by civilizations long gone. The museum's collection spans millennia, offering a fascinating glimpse into the island's journey through time. Learn about the enigmatic temple builders, the Phoenicians, the Romans, and the Arabs, all leaving their mark on Malta's cultural tapestry. The museum is a fascinating experience for all ages, with interactive exhibits bringing history to life. Visit on a weekday morning for a quieter experience and allow ample time to absorb the wealth of knowledge on display. The National Museum of Archaeology is more than just a museum. It's a portal to Malta's past, a testament to the enduring spirit of this remarkable island nation. At number 6, we're getting a little wet. To truly appreciate Valletta's grandeur, one must witness its majestic setting from the water. A harbor cruise offers a unique perspective, revealing the city's fortifications rising dramatically from the sea. As you glide through the Grand Harbor, Valletta unfolds before you like a living postcard. Ancient forts stand sentinel, their honey-colored stone glowing in the warm Mediterranean sun. The gentle sea breeze carries with it the scent of salt and the sounds of the city, creating a symphony of senses unique to this experience. Choose a cruise that circles both the Grand Harbor and Marsamxett Harbor for a complete perspective. Sunset cruises offer a magical experience, with the city bathed in golden light. The cost of a harbor cruise varies depending on the duration and type of vessel, but it's an experience worth every penny. A harbor cruise is an unforgettable way to connect with Valletta's maritime heritage, to witness its beauty from a new angle and create lasting memories. At number 5, our journey through Valletta wouldn't be complete without delving into the island's captivating history. At the Malta Experience, a multimedia spectacle brings 7,000 years of history to life before your eyes. Settle into the comfortable auditorium and prepare to be transported through time. From the arrival of the enigmatic temple builders to the Knights of St. John and beyond, the story of Malta unfolds on a panoramic screen. The Malta Experience is a sensory journey, with stunning visuals, evocative music, and compelling narration that captures the island's dramatic past. It's an ideal activity for families and history enthusiasts alike. Located in the heart of Valletta, the Malta Experience is easily accessible and offers shows throughout the day. The entrance fee is reasonable, providing excellent value for this immersive historical journey. The Malta Experience is more than just a show. It's an opportunity to connect with the soul of Malta, to understand the forces that have shaped this extraordinary island nation. At number 4, as the sun sets, casting a warm glow over the city, we are drawn to the Valletta waterfront, also called Pinto Wharf. It is such a vibrant promenade. Take a stroll along the waterfront and enjoy the charming views, stroll past colorful warehouses, now charming restaurants and boutiques. The air hums with energy, locals and visitors enjoying the evening. Entry to the waterfront is absolutely free. Indulge in a meal overlooking the Grand Harbor, or relax at a waterfront cafe sipping Maltese wine. The Valletta waterfront is ideal for an evening stroll, a family dinner, or a romantic dinner. The atmosphere is magical, with twinkling lights reflected in the gently lapping water. A visit to the Valletta waterfront is a feast for the senses. On number 3, we take a tour underground. Beneath the elegant streets of Valletta lies a hidden network of tunnels that played a pivotal role in World War II. The Lascaris war rooms, carved into the rock, served as the secret headquarters for the defense of Malta. Step back in time as you enter this subterranean world, the air thick with history. Remember to wear comfortable shoes as you walk the same corridors where strategists planned Malta's defense, their decisions echoing through the tunnels. Original maps, communication equipment, and personal belongings offer a poignant glimpse into the lives of those who lived and worked underground during the war. The Lascaris war rooms are a testament to the resilience and bravery of the Maltese people. Guided tours offer fascinating insights into the war effort and the significance of Malta's strategic location. Tour fees begin from €10. It's a humbling experience, a reminder of the sacrifices made in the name of freedom. The Lascaris war rooms are a must-visit for history buffs and anyone interested in experiencing a hidden chapter of World War II. At number 2, let's delve into some performing arts. For an evening steeped in culture and artistry, we venture to the Manuel Theater, one of the oldest working theaters in the world. Its intimate setting and ornate decor transport you back to a bygone era of elegance. The Manuel Theater hosts a diverse program of opera, drama, and musical performances throughout the year. The acoustics are superb, allowing you to fully appreciate the talents of both local and international artists. The theater itself is a work of art, with its gilded balconies, plush velvet seats, and intricate ceiling frescoes. Attending a performance here is an experience in itself, a chance to step back in time and immerse yourself in the world of the arts. The theater's intimate size ensures excellent views from every seat. Check the theater's website for upcoming performances and book your tickets in advance, especially during the peak season. Tickets cost around €5. An evening at the Manuel Theater is a celebration of the arts, a chance to witness the magic of live performance in a setting that exudes history and charm. And we come to the final stop in our journey through Valletta. On number 1, we conclude in a tranquil oasis, the Lower Baracca Gardens. Tucked away at the eastern end of the city walls, these gardens offer a serene escape from the bustling city. Unlike its upper counterpart, the Lower Baracca Gardens have a more intimate and contemplative atmosphere. Stroll through the shaded pathways, adorned with statues and fountains, and feel the stresses of the day melt away. The gardens offer stunning views of the Grand Harbor's entrance, where the azure waters meet the open sea. Find a quiet bench and lose yourself in the mesmerizing vista, watching as boats sail in and out of the harbor. The Lower Baracca Gardens are free to enter, making them an ideal spot for a peaceful afternoon stroll or a quiet moment of reflection. The gardens are particularly enchanting at sunset, when the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues. A visit to the Lower Baracca Gardens is free. No fee required. It is a perfect way to end your Valletta adventure, leaving you with a sense of peace and tranquility. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow over Valletta's honey-colored stone, we bid farewell to this captivating city. From its grand fortifications to its hidden gardens, Valletta has revealed its secrets, sharing its stories with us. We've wandered through its historic streets, stood in awe of its architectural marvels, and felt the pulse of its vibrant culture. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.